Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Mix Flip, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then we have to scroll and tap on more security and privacy, and here we've got the option special permissions, so let's tap on it. Now let's scroll and find this option, which is called install unknown apps, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Let me choose Chrome. Let's tap on them specific app and tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see here we've got the notification, and you have to read it before you will be able to tap on OK. Basically you're doing everything on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So before you will be able to continue, you have to take this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and then tap on OK. Now as you can see the switcher is active, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install some content, and of course it works the same with all other apps. You can also remove previously granted permissions, obviously. Simply tap on the app again and tap on the switcher, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.